Imagine Earth as a billiard ball. Now picture our solar system as a vast cosmic pool table. The cue ball, some rogue celestial object, slams into Mercury. Mercury careens into Venus. Venus, thrown off course, barrels towards Earth. This, while hypothetical, isn't pure science fiction. Planetary collisions, while rare, are a possibility within the vastness of space and time. Evidence suggests our own moon was born from a cataclysmic collision early in the solar system's history. These cosmic smash-ups are a stark reminder of the universe's power and the ever-present dance of celestial objects. Planetary collisions are not gentle events, they are the universe's demolition derbies where gravity plays the role of the unforgiving pit boss. The sheer scale of energy unleashed during these events is difficult to comprehend. When planets collide, it's not just rock smashing into rock. It's a chaotic ballet of gravity, momentum, and nuclear forces. The consequences of such a collision, especially for a planet like Earth, would be catastrophic. Gravity, the invisible force that holds the universe together, is the ultimate matchmaker in planetary collisions. It's a constant tug-of-war between celestial objects, a delicate balance easily disrupted. A slight gravitational nudge from a passing star, a rogue planet, or even the cumulative pull of other planets within the solar system can send planets spiraling off their orbits. Over millions of years, these subtle gravitational interactions can have dramatic consequences, potentially setting the stage for a cosmic collision. Once the gravitational dominoes start to fall, a chain reaction can occur. The closer planets get to each other, the stronger their gravitational pull becomes. This leads to a deadly spiral, with planets accelerating towards their inevitable demise. As the planets draw nearer, tidal forces come into play. These forces, caused by the difference in gravitational pull across a planet's diameter, can stretch and distort the planets. Imagine Earth squeezed and stretched like dough, its surface cracking under the immense pressure. The final moments before a planetary collision are a spectacle of unimaginable violence. The planets, moving at tens of thousands of miles per hour, would collide with the force of millions of nuclear weapons. The energy released would be enough to vaporize entire planets, turning solid rock into superheated plasma in an instant. This cosmic clash would be visible across the universe, a testament to the destructive power of gravity. The moment of impact during a planetary collision is when the laws of physics put on a terrifying yet awe-inspiring show. Imagine, if you will, the colossal impact ripping through the Earth's crust. Mountains would crumble, oceans would vaporize, and the very air we breathe would become superheated. The energy released would be equivalent to billions of years of sunlight being released in an instant. It's a scene straight out of a science fiction disaster film. But with the very real possibility of occurring in the vastness of our universe, the aftermath of such a collision would be equally devastating. The remnants of the two planets would likely coalesce into a molten mass, a swirling inferno of magma and vaporized rock. This newly formed object, still reeling from the impact, would be bombarded by trillions of tons of debris, fragments of the shattered planets flung outwards in the collision. Over millions of years, this debris field might cool and coalesce, potentially forming a new planet or a ring system around the surviving star. But the devastation wouldn't be limited to the colliding planets. The shock waves from the impact would ripple through the solar system, disrupting the delicate gravitational balance. These ripples could potentially eject other planets from their orbits, sending them careening into the sun or out into the icy depths of interstellar space. The solar system, once a beacon of order and predictability, would be plunged into chaos. The collision of planets within our solar system would be a cosmic event with far-reaching consequences, impacting every corner of our solar neighborhood. Imagine the asteroid belt, disrupted by the gravitational shock waves, sending a barrage of asteroids hurtling towards the remaining planets. These impacts, while not as cataclysmic as the initial collision, would still pose significant threats to any life that might exist elsewhere in the solar system. The Sun, the heart of our solar system, wouldn't be immune to the chaos. The massive influx of energy and matter from the collision would cause the Sun to flare and erupt with unprecedented intensity. These solar storms, carrying streams of charged particles, would bombard the remaining planets, stripping away any semblance of an atmosphere and bathing them in deadly radiation. Even if a planet were fortunate enough to survive the initial collision and the subsequent chaos, its long-term prospects would be bleak. The delicate balance that allows for liquid water, stable temperatures, and the potential for life would be shattered. The solar system, once a cradle of life, would become a hostile and unforgiving place. Despite the dramatic depictions often seen in science fiction, a planetary collision wouldn't instantly annihilate Earth. The process would be more of a drawn-out demise, a series of catastrophic events unfolding over hours, days, and even years. The initial impact would be devastating, but the subsequent effects, gravitational disruptions, atmospheric stripping, and bombardment from debris, would continue to wreak havoc long after the initial impact. Another misconception is that planetary collisions are common occurrences in the universe. While collisions were more frequent in the early solar system, when there were more objects in closer proximity, they are now relatively rare. The vast distances between stars and planets make the chances of two planetary systems colliding incredibly small. However, the possibility of a collision within our own solar system, however remote, is a stark reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. It underscores the importance of understanding the forces that govern our cosmic neighborhood and the need to remain vigilant in the face of potential threats. The impact of a planetary collision would extend far beyond the immediate vicinity of the event. The immense energy released would create gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time, propagating outwards at the speed of light. These waves, while incredibly faint, could be detected by sensitive instruments on Earth, providing astronomers with a unique glimpse into the cataclysmic event. The debris field left behind by the collision would also pose a long-term hazard to any surviving planets. These fragments, ranging in size from dust grains to moon-sized chunks, would continue to orbit the star, creating a cosmic minefield. Over millions of years, these objects could collide with other planets, causing further destruction and potentially resetting the clock on any nascent life. The collision would also have a profound impact on the evolution of the surviving star. The sudden influx of material could alter the star's chemical composition, potentially shortening its lifespan or triggering a period of increased activity. These changes could have further-reaching consequences for any planets orbiting the star, affecting their habitability and long-term survival. While a planetary collision seems like an entirely destructive event, it's important to remember that the universe operates on cycles of destruction and creation. Even in the face of such unimaginable devastation, the potential for new beginnings exists. The debris field left behind by the collision could, over millions of years, coalesce to form new planets. These second-generation planets, forged from the ashes of their predecessors, would be very different from the original worlds. The composition of these new planets would depend on the materials present in the debris field, potentially leading to planets with unusual compositions and properties. For example, a planet formed primarily from the iron cores of shattered worlds could be incredibly dense, with a gravitational pull far exceeding that of Earth. These new worlds, born from destruction, would offer a unique opportunity for the development of life. While the initial conditions on these planets would be harsh, life is tenacious and adaptable. Over time, life could find a foothold in these new environments, potentially leading to the evolution of organisms vastly different from anything we can imagine. Reflecting on the possibility of planetary collisions allows us to appreciate the delicate balance of our own solar system. The orbits of the planets, seemingly unchanging over human timescales, are the result of billions of years of gravitational interactions. This delicate choreography, while seemingly stable, is a reminder that the universe is a dynamic and ever-changing place. Understanding the potential for such catastrophic events highlights the importance of continued scientific exploration and discovery. By studying other planetary systems, we gain a better understanding of the forces that shape our universe and the factors that contribute to the formation and evolution of planets. This knowledge, in turn, can help us better protect our own planet from potential threat. More importantly, contemplating the vastness of the universe and the powerful forces at play helps us put our own existence into perspective. we are but a small part of a much larger cosmic story, a story that has been unfolding for billions of years and will continue long after we are gone. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of cosmic events like planetary collisions is the sense of wonder and awe they inspire. These events, while potentially destructive, remind us of the immense power and beauty of the universe we inhabit. They challenge us to expand our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. The study of astronomy and astrophysics is ultimately a quest to understand our origins and our destiny. By unraveling the mysteries of the universe, we gain a deeper appreciation for the fragility and preciousness of life on Earth. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are certain to make new and awe-inspiring discoveries that will further challenge our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with both beauty and danger. Planetary collisions, while rare, are a stark reminder of the powerful forces at play in the cosmos. These events, while potentially devastating, also offer a unique opportunity to study the fundamental laws of physics and the cycles of destruction and creation that govern the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos and unravel its secrets, we gain a deeper appreciation for the fragility and wonder of our own planet. The study of the universe, therefore, is not merely an academic pursuit, but a vital endeavor that helps us understand our place in the cosmos and the importance of preserving our pale blue dot for future generations.